song has received over 1 billion, with a B, 1 billion streams. And when it comes to the subject of love, they noticed a big shift from love to lust. Knowing that that's what the standard is today, we would like to offer a counterculture. We're going to talk about what true love is.
Yeah.
All right, let's go back in time. I think all of us, we were born in the 70s,
Yep.
right?
That's right.
And
Why did you look at me? Do you think I was born before the 70s?
No.
She was thinking after.
Yeah, that's in the 80s.
Wendy might be an
yes,
80s baby.
She kind of turned around and looked at me like, you were 70s, right? Yeah.
What love songs do you remember as a teenager, or do you? Because I don't know if I do. I'm not a big song title person or a movie title person.
And so I was going back to when I was a teenager and the relationships I was in. I literally wrote my list.
You got some Journey on there, some Oreo Speedwagon or
It's
something?
really very telling. I have Every Rose Has Its Thorn. Okay.
Who sings that?
Guns N' Roses.
Poison.
Right. Oh, Poison?
No, we have a running
Isn't there a
joke. that
GNR version of that too?
It's not Guns N' Roses. It is
Okay.
Poison for
Okay.
them. It-
We have a
We have a
joke
running joke.
going. She thinks
Poison sings everything.
right.
Oh, right.
That's her
They
answer
really
to
do
everything.
sing this. And then Fooled Around and Fell in Love. And then Total Eclipse of the Heart. Those were my songs.
Oh my
So
goodness.
yes, I did not have great relationships as a teenager. What were yours? I've got yours on here.
Which ones were we want
Yours
to
were-
pour some sugar on me, baby?
Yeah.
And then Rock and Roll Hoochie Coo. And Fat Bottom Girls. Those were his love songs.
Make the
That
rockin' world go round.
Yes. That was what he considered love songs. So we're not the best candidates. Next.
No.
What were y'all's?
We're wanting to talk about the love song.
Yeah.
You know, every generation had their love songs.
Yeah.
Well, I brought up the love song for a reason, because I was doing some reading on it in general. So I'm going to share a few statistics with
Okay.
you all. I read a news article that provided evidence that the love song is in trouble. Okay, but I'll let you all be the judge on this.
Okay.
There was a study done from 1971 to 2011, so that's about 40 years, looking at love songs. And when it comes to the subject of love for that 40 years, they noticed a big shift from love to lust. I also wanted to see what the love songs were back in time and was doing a little bit of reading and digging. And I know if you go to different places, you're going to probably find different results. But I landed on Billboard because, you know, Billboard is top music, right?
Yeah.
And they listed, using certain criteria, the top 50 love songs of all time. Okay, so this is according to Billboard. I thought I'd give you the top 3.
Okay.
This is interesting. Number 3, 1977. Have you heard of How Deep Is Your Love?
How deep is? Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
That's like Bee Gees, isn't it?
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, that was number 3 for top 50. 1994, I'll Make Love to You by Boys to Men.
Yes, honey.
Right.
Yes.
And number one love song according to Billboard of all time, 1981, Endless Love by Diana Ross and Lionel Richie.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
I think we're familiar with
Isn't he
those.
the American Idol judge?
Yeah.
Yes. But this is what I wanted to hone in. So I wanted to know what the current top love song is.
Yeah.
And so researching that, I went back to 2020. Have you all heard of the song called Blinding Lights by The Weeknd?
No.
Neither the artist or the song.
Yeah.
I've heard
I
of the
know, we're kind
artist,
of a-
but not the
I have no
song.
idea.
So I noticed this song, Blinding Lights, has received over 1 billion, with a B, 1 billion streams. That's a lot. And so I thought, I'm going to go listen to this song. Pulled it up on YouTube, watched it. It definitely had a dark undertone to it. But before I placed my interpretation on it, I wanted to, what was the artist saying here? So I found an article that quoted the artist. And this is what this is what he had to say. He said, Blinding Lights, and I'm quoting him, is about how you want to see someone at night and you're intoxicated and you're driving to this person and you're just blinded by the street lights. But nothing could stop you from trying to go see that person because you're so lonely. I don't want to ever promote drunk driving, but that's what the dark undertone is. I bring that up because I want us to look at a lot of people are searching. 1 billion streams to this song. I think in some form or fashion they can identify with the song.
Well, there's a lot of people out there drunk driving in the middle of the night to go have a hookup.
Yeah.
Knowing that that's kind of what the standard is today, we would like to offer a counterculture. We're going to talk about what true love is.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to shift from lust to what real love is. And really, if you look at it, we need to shift from getting to giving.
Yep.
Okay. John 3:16. Everybody's probably familiar with it. For God so loved the world, he gave. He didn't come to get, he gave. It's a living love song to us. He gave his only son, Yeshua, Jesus. True love gives, even when it won't be received.